Is your PC freezing or slowing down for no reason? It might be your RAM getting overloaded. In this video, I will show you 5 quick ways to free up memory and boost performance on Windows 11. No downloads required. Hit that like button if your PC deserves to be faster, and subscribe to the Maliky Academy for smart, clean tech tutorials every week. Step 1. Close unused apps. First, close any apps you are not using. Even background apps eat up RAM and slow down your system. To check which apps are using the most memory, right-click on your taskbar and open Task Manager. Go to the Process tab, sort by memory to see the biggest RAM users. Simply close unnecessary apps by clicking the X, or force close them from the Task Manager using the End Task button. Tip: Chrome, Teams, and Spotify are often the biggest culprits. Step 2. Disable startup apps. Some apps launch automatically every time your PC boots up, eating RAM before you even open a browser. Here is how to stop them. Open Task Manager again, go to the Startup Apps tab, disable any apps you don't need at startup, like Cortana, OneDrive, or Update Manager. Just right-click and disable. This gives your PC a lighter start every time you boot. Step 3. Restart your computer. Restarting might seem basic, but it's one of the most effective ways to clear RAM. Over time, apps and background processes stack up in memory. Restarting wipes all that clean. Click the Start menu, go to Power, and click on Restart, and enjoy a fresh system start. Step 4. Upgrade your RAM. Still feeling slow after those fixes? Your system might just need more physical RAM. For everyday use, 16 GB is good, but for heavy multitasking or video editing, 32 GB or more is ideal. If you are using a desktop, upgrading RAM is usually very simple. For laptops, check capability with your brand. A great place to learn how to upgrade is iFixit.com. They have got step-by-step tutorials for nearly every machine. And there we go, 5 ways to instantly free up memory and make your PC faster. If this helped, leave a like and let us know in the comment what's worked best for you. Don't forget to subscribe to the Maliky Academy for more fast and clean tech tips. See you again.